Hello designers, welcome to designparlor.pk. Today we're going to talk about a pretty interesting topic: can AI replace graphic designers? With all the advancements in AI technology, this is a question that many people are wondering about. So, let's explore this topic in more detail. Well, this topic is a little old and many other designers have discussed it, some of who believe that AI will send graphics designers home in the near future. And some still believe that AI is not capable of this. Let's analyze it more. Okay, so here's the thing. When it comes to graphic design, the role of human designers is still super important. Sure, AI can generate designs based on predefined criteria, but it can't replace the human element of communication, collaboration, and empathy that's necessary in design. Good design isn't just about creating something that looks good, it's about understanding what the client needs, their goals, and their preferences. And that's where human designers really excel. Graphic designers are not just responsible for creating visually appealing designs, they also have to understand the client's needs, communicate effectively, and adapt to changing trends and technologies. AI lacks the ability to understand human emotions, culture, and values, which are critical components of design. Human designers have a range of skills and experiences that enable them to create designs that are tailored to specific audiences, contexts, and mediums. They can work with typography, color, layout, and imagery to create designs that evoke emotions, tell stories, and communicate ideas effectively. And this is something that AI just can't do on its own. Another thing to consider is that design isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Every business is unique, and AI may not be able to capture the essence of a brand or convey its message effectively. Human designers can work with clients to develop custom designs that meet their needs. They can understand the brand's values, target audience, and business objectives and then create designs that reflect these factors. And this level of customization is something that AI just isn't capable of right now. Lastly, design requires creativity, problem-solving skills, and intuition. Human designers must be able to think critically, explore multiple solutions, and make informed decisions based on their experience and expertise. They must also adapt to changing trends and technologies, stay up to date with design tools and techniques, and experiment with new ideas. AI can automate certain aspects of the design process, but it can't replicate the creativity and intuition that human designers possess. So, can AI replace graphic designers? Well, the answer is no. While AI can certainly assist graphic designers in their work, it's unlikely to replace them entirely. Human designers will continue to play a crucial role in the design industry, bringing their unique perspectives, skills, and experiences to create designs that are engaging, effective, and meaningful. But if you're a Canva Pro designer or only uses templates made by others, then you might be in trouble. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative and design the world as you like.